The 2023 DBX 707 from Aston Martin is a remarkable creation by their engineers, as it performs excellently in corners, similar to a much smaller and sportier car. Despite its performance, it can still function as a daily family SUV. In fact, the upgrades made to the chassis have improved its daily driving capabilities, as the retuned air suspension maintains its smoothness with reduced slack. In GT mode, the V8 engine becomes quiet, and the DBX 707 glides effortlessly on a wave of torque, which does not reveal its full potential, but pressing the throttle causes the twin-turbo motor to push the car forward remarkably, despite boasting outputs of 697 horsepower and 663 pounds-to-foot, which are impressive for any vehicle, especially a luxurious high-riding tourer like this. They do not take center stage. The DBX 707 performs exceptionally well in corners, even surpassing other SUVs that would scrape along the door handles in similar situations. By placing it in Sport Plus mode, the throttle response and gear changes become sharper, and the suspension is set to a firmer setting. The changes between modes are gradual, rather than extreme. The DBX 707 impresses with its remarkable grip and minimal body roll, especially through corners. It is effortless to drive, as it sticks to the road, exhibiting very little understeer. The dynamic torque vectoring and the sizable carbon ceramic vented brake discs, 420mm front, 390mm rear, aid in achieving this. Compared to the regular DBX, the DBX 707 is a significant improvement, surpassing even the Bentayga speed in terms of excitement. Additionally, it boasts more power than the 641 horsepower Lamborghini Urus, but with a less aggressive character when driving aggressively. The world of ultra-luxury super SUVs is an exceptional realm where finding a subpar vehicle is challenging. However, being good is merely a baseline for entry and is insufficient to win over potential buyers. The DBX 707 goes beyond good and is nothing short of a sublime creation. In terms of appearance and driving experience, it is a masterpiece of an SUV. Although some may argue that the styling is slightly excessive, it remains more tasteful than the Bentayga Speed, which caters to the nouveau riche. Although the DBX 707's interior is luxurious, it falls slightly short of the Bentley standards, though it's still quite impressive. The DBX 707 is a remarkable SUV, but its cost is notably higher compared to the almost equivalent package offered by the Cayenne Turbo GT, which costs much less. Thank you for watching.